I sprinkle it. I sprinkle the ranch seasoning on the pieces of chicken. So yeah. The ranch seasoning gives it that extra flour. I mean flavor. Excuse me. And it's crispy. So you get that crunch of fried chicken without actually frying it. So I love fried chicken. I do eat fried chicken. But I don't want to eat too much of it. So I go ahead and that's why I started making some meals baked. I have an egg roll recipe that I make. I put that in the oven as well. And they come out really, really crunchy. I got me some lemonade. Oh, I drank most of my lemonade. Oh. I got some water. Hear that crunch? And even if you have some left over, it's really, really good. You know, sometimes some people don't like leftovers. Let me know in the comment section if you like leftovers. I don't mind them. A lot of times the seasonings really get a chance to marinate in the food. And sometimes leftovers taste better the second day. You know, when you take it and you put it in a container or however you store it and you refrigerate it, it's good. But these pieces of chicken, when you bake them the next day, you don't necessarily have to warm them up. I've eaten them, I've let it get room temperature, or if you like it cold, and it's still good. Of course, you don't have that same, it's still crunchy, but not as crunchy. You probably have to let it get room temperature so that, you know, you can get that crunch. And you can take some of it and put it in the oven for a little while. You have to keep an eye on it. Excuse me. You see, you can get it at the consistency, the consistency that you like. Which is you want it back crunchy or whatever. I should have made something, a side dish to go with it. But I didn't. So this is a good dish to make. You're having friends over for dinner, for your family, or like a Saturday night like this. And you want something crunchy. You want some chicken that's crunchy. Take your chicken out the night before. Again, like I said, I buy like a 10 bag of chicken wings. And buy the 10-pound bag of chicken wings. And I take out the amount of wings that I want or need. Put them in a Ziploc bag. And I let them thaw out. Today, I did that yesterday. Today, I went and took them and cleaned them off, and I seasoned them, let them sit in the refrigerator with the seasoning. And then I was able to, when I was ready, I preheated the oven to 400 degrees. You want to put it on 400 because it will take, if you have it any less, it will take longer for the chicken to get to the consistency, the crispy consistency that you want to get it to. Now, I've had it, I've given my instructions to my mom one time, and I say, you know, do this, that, and hers was even better than mine. It wasn't crunchy because she marinated. She told me she massaged it. She massaged the meat. Okay, Mom. Because it was really, really good. Like, I could tell she really marinated. Like, I bit into it, and those flavors burst in my mouth. I was like, oh my goodness. I'm like, what you do to this chicken? She said, well, I just, you know, I did what you said. I seasoned it, and then I let it marinate. I was like, oh, this is better than mine. The only thing is that it didn't have the crunchiness, but it was very, very tender. It was really, really good. So, you know, nobody cooks better than your mom. You know. No, that's what I encourage you to do for your aunts, your grandmothers, your cousins that cook very well. Start taking, get notes from them, how they make their cakes, their pies. Watch them and take notes. Get the recipe, because, you know, tomorrow's not promised to any of us. And, you know, they're gone, and like, oh, sure wish we could have Aunt so-and-so's whatever. My sister and I lived together for a while after my marriage, and so we moved in. Me and my sons moved in with her, and between both of us can cook, but she was the cook. What? She could cook. Oh, it was funny because there were certain things that I expected her to do, to cook, and there were certain things she expected me to cook. And she's no longer with us. And there were some things I wish I could have asked her. I just left it to her to do it. You know, can you do the so-and-so? You gonna make the spaghetti? Can you do that macaroni and cheese? Can you make the gravy? Can you make the whole meal? There were certain things that she wanted me to make as well. And so, if your loved one is still around, ask them now. Because, you know, tomorrow's not promised. So that is it. Thanks for joining. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember to comment, share, like, comment, and subscribe. Please subscribe. Thank you so much for taking the time out to watch. Eaters. Bye-bye.